So let's get this done here. I am on that path right there, and I'm just right on the edge.
All right, now we're running up to the 3-acre North Ridge. Knock that one out. There goes a turkey right there. Check on this pond while we're here. Still pretty good. Still could come up a ways, but it's a lot fuller than I've seen it yet. You can see it soaked in a little bit. Well, a little chilly this morning. Gotta turn the heat on today, at least until later. Woo! Come on, heater. Woo! It's just starting to get warm. Yeah, we're jamming already. Woo! Planting day, baby. Big day on the farm. Turn that heat up some more yet. Oh man! Woo! Done. This is the second year and the dirt is getting better, way better this year. I mean, you can see all the branches and stuff, but this was woods all two seasons ago. So it's turning out beautiful. Productivity, baby. Knock it out. All right, let's hook on, baby. Also with this, you can leave your camera on and watch it. Let's see, let's put it in work mode and try that. All right, work mode. Probably should go four-wheel drive since it's soft. All right, jamming. That's all right there. My camera keeps pinging every time we go around. Okay, so that's pretty much the full process on how do you build your own dreamscape, your own food plot, dreamscape for deer. We went through the, I kind of skipped some of the soil prep, but this is our second year. We brought in the fertilizer buggy. We went all in. We did 150 pounds per acre of nitrogen, plus all the other goodies, the phosphate and the potassium and the potash and copper and magnesium and all that stuff. And so I'll show you a picture. I'll show you some videos from last year. Last year was our first season of corn and beans. It worked out really well. So I'll give you a visual on what this is going to turn out like. But trust me when I tell you, this has been an excellent life experiment.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this before the storm hits. Okay, so let's get this done here. I am on that path right there. And I'm just right on the edge. So I'm standing pretty much level with this corn. And it is, my head is right here. I'm 5'9". So it's probably 6 feet tall.
And we've had some great hunting experiences on this remote 3-acre corn and bean plot. So I'll show you some hunting videos too, but enjoy the scenery. If you do, I hope you hit the like button. And if you have a dream of doing this on your own, I highly recommend you pursue it. Start taking steps to build your own dreamscape where you have your own escape from life, your own escape from reality, you know, your distraction from life and stress and all that. I always wish you the best. So, all right, have a great Memorial Day weekend. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot.